In this video, I'll tell you how you can change a screen lock password on Redmi phones. To do that, first of all navigate to your settings application and scroll down. And right here you can see fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Tap on that and tap on screen lock. And right here you will need to enter your current password. Once you have entered your current password, tap on next and from here you can select which type of screen lock you want. Let's say I want pattern, I will select that. And after that tap on got it. And from here you can set the new pattern, password or pin. Now confirm your password once again and tap on confirm. And by doing this you have successfully changed your screen lock password. Let's check it out. Now as you can see that my new password is working fine. So that's how you can change a screen lock password on Redmi phones. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.